How to download and set up Keybank mobile app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and set up Keybank mobile app. For this, you want to open up Play Store if you are on Android device. Open up App Store if you are on your iOS device. Now, you want to tap on the search bar. Here, search for Keybank mobile app. This is the application you should be looking for. If you want more details on this app, you want to tap on About This App option. And here it says that with this application, you will be able to check your bank account balance, deposit checks, and transfer money on the go. You will be able to take control of your money and bank the way you want to bank anytime and anywhere. Now, if you want to download this application, go ahead and tap on the install button. Once you tap on it, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Once installed, simply tap on the open option, and once the application has been launched, you want to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can tap on the sign up option. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to set up a new account. After your account has been created, enter your credentials such as user ID and password and tap on the login option. Once logged in, you will be able to access the dashboard, and from there you can start using the Keybank mobile app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.